Concern about the U.S. deficit and soft dollar policy have been driving the FX market over the past few sessions, with the flow weighing on the U.S. dollar overall. Still, there was a clear distinction in the price action on Thursday, with the buck down against the major currencies but managing to recover against commodity bloc FX. We think this is an important distinction as we believe it reflects a demand for the major currencies at a time when risk sentiment is looking super shaky and global equities are starting to find offers into rallies for a change. This could mean flight to safety out of the commodity bloc and emerging market currencies and into the majors, with the dollar still benefiting against these currencies, but maybe sharing the inflows this time round on account of the U.S. administration's soft dollar campaign. But we would also add that we're not ready to rule out the possibility that the dollar could even outperform against the majors. We think the signs of rising inflation in the U.S. have not been properly considered, especially after this week's CPI readings. We could be headed for a world where stocks are crumbling and the Fed is forced to move to a more aggressive policy normalization as it is forced to get ahead of inflation. Technically speaking, we recognize there could be room for another push in the euro, as there is this space that wants to get filled between current levels and the 126 area, which represents what could be a massive intersection between the price and falling trend line off the record high from 2008. But overall, the run of dollar decline seen in the recent months does look extended to us, and if we do trade up to the 126 area and fill that empty space in euro dollar, the case for a meaningful dollar recovery, euro pullback, and dollar recovery across the board will be that much more compelling. Looking ahead, Friday's calendar isn't all that active. The highlight of the day comes in the form of UK retail sales, though we also get US import prices, housing starts, building permits, and Michigan sentiment. That's all for now.